everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Vicki and I'm so glad you decided to stop by today and hang out with me. Today I'm going to be sharing a classic Southern dessert. It's a pig picking cake. And the way it got its name is typically served at a barbecue where they roast a whole pig and you pick the meat from the pig. So this is where it got its name from. And it's really easy to throw together. It's a few ingredients and I think it's going to be absolutely delicious. It is my first time making it, but I'm pretty sure that I've had it before. I can't remember, but I know the components I've had before. So let me show you what we're going to need, okay? We're going to need 1 box of yellow cake mix, a can of crushed pineapple, a can of Mandarin Orange, a container of Cool Whip, ½ a cup of vegetable oil, and 4 eggs. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm preheating my oven to 350 degrees. We're going to take our yellow cake mix. Get right in. Four eggs. And then we're going to add ½ a cup of oil. Then we're going to add a whole can of Mandarin oranges with the juice. I love Mandarin oranges. I think it's so good with like cottage cheese or something like that. I just think it's so delicious. Now you can use your mixer, but I'm just using a whisk. It's entirely up to you. Because it's got those Mandarin oranges in it, you don't have to keep use your mixer, but it's, like I said, it's up to you however you want to do it. Smells divine. That smells good. Now, some people have asked, can you use orange cake mix with this? Yes, you can. But I think that the yellow just gives it a good flavor. But if you like orange more, definitely use the orange. Okay, I've already greased my baking pan. We're just going to pour this in a 9 by 13 greased pan. And we're going to bake it approximately 30 minutes. I'll let you know how long it takes. You know, every stove and oven is different the way it heats. So just keep an eye on it. I would say anywhere from 25 to 35 minutes in my opinion. And then we'll come back and fix the frosting. And it's as easy as that, throwing it all together. All right, it's going in the oven for 25 to 35 minutes, and I'll meet you back here and we'll make the frosting. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that and hang out with me. Okay, our cake just came out of the oven. It took 35 minutes. Just prepare it according to your package directions for whatever size cake you're doing on the back of the box. I'm going to let it cool completely before we put our frosting on. I'm letting my Cool Whip thaw a little bit. So we'll meet you back here and we'll put this together and do a taste test. Okay, for our frosting, we're going to need 1 tub of Cool Whip, 8 ounces, 1 box of vanilla instant pudding, I'm going to go ahead and pour that pudding mix into our bowl. Then we're going to add 1 can of crushed pineapples with the juices. Let's go ahead and mix our pudding and our pineapple together. We're going to go ahead and mix our Cool Whip in with it, the whole container. And easy as that, that's your icing or frosting. And I think that's going to be delicious. I'm also going to use some Mandarin oranges that I have in the cabinet to decorate the top with. I think it'll be good. So I'll get those out after we frost it. Look at that frosting. Don't that look delicious? Let's taste it. It is really good. Delicious. Okay, so our cake is cooled enough to put our frosting on. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Just going to go ahead and make sure we got all that rubbed in there together. The bottom. Okay, and we're going to spread that out on our cake really well. And that's a really good thick layer of frosting, which is what you want. Then, move the bowl out of the way. We're going to take some Mandarin oranges and just decorate the top of it. I think that would just taste good. Some of these are crushed. We'll try to use the ones that are not. They're pretty crushed though for some reason. These are the little snack packs I keep for my grandbabies. So they're a little bit squashed. Sorry about that. They're still going to taste good though, right? Okay. Now, it's the hard part. We have to put it in the fridge and let it chill for an hour. But guess what? That gives us the perfect amount of time to go watch our granddaughter's basketball game. And that tastes delicious. And come back and try it. Okay, we got our cake here ready to do a taste test. Chad's going to do a taste test for me. This is our Pig Pickin Cake. This is a Southern classic dessert, Chad. And it got its name because a lot of them are served at a barbecue where they roast a whole hog or a pig and you pick the meat off of it. So this is called a Pig Pickin Cake.
So at a pig picking, you can eat this cake.
So the yellow cake mix has a can of Mandarin oranges in it, baked. And then the icing is Cool Whip with crushed pineapple and
that sounds great.
Vanilla pudding. Okay?
Oh,
Here's a shot of the cake. You can't really see the oranges in it
Oh my gosh.
But they're
it
in
sounds
there.
Like it's right up my alley.
Yeah, I think you'll like it.
This is exciting.
Can you?
What a laugh. Yeah, that's great.
Do you taste the orange in the cake?
Yeah, it
Settle.
reminds me of the orange creamsicle,
Orange creamsicle
but it's different.
cake
too.
that I make.
Yeah, I love
It
it.
is similar
Really,
to
really
that.
Good. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's great. It's very different too. I love it.
Yeah. I've never made that before. But I've made, like you said, the creamsicle cake. I will
Oh,
link it
my
down below.
goodness.
I believe that I filmed that as well.
The icing is amazing. It's so smooth.
Yeah. Yeah, that's Cool Whip with a can of crushed pineapple and vanilla instant pudding. All right.
Give me thumbs up.
Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.